From the St. Louis Area Diaper Bank to the St. Louis County Prosecuting Attorney's Office, one woman is spearheading the new Law Enforcement Assisted Diversion program.
Fox 2's Catherine Hessel explains how social workers help law enforcement with low-level criminals.
Charlin Hughes says helping people isn't just her passion, it's her calling.
If I think back to probably even before high school, I was always that person helping somebody else. I don't care what it was with. Then I became a teen mother, and I understood that people needed help.
About 6 years ago, Charlin went back to school for her master's in social work.
I realized that to help the individual, I needed to see what was going on with the systems in the communities. Why weren't people getting what they needed?
Charlin then worked for Beyond Housing and most recently was the Director of Outreach and Community Engagement for the St. Louis Area Diaper Bank. And she's also an ordained minister and reverend at Christian Methodist Episcopal Church.
I've been probably talking to people, preaching to people, encouraging people, whatever you want to call it, for like 10, 20 years. So I'm no stranger to crowds.
Charlin heard that Wesley Bell wanted to address opioid usage and instead of criminalizing low-level offenders, get them help. It was something she wanted to be a part of.
She is very passionate, and this is not, what she does has never been just a job for her.
Through a $1.2 million grant, Bell was able to hire Charlin to start the LEAD program, which is a collaboration between his office and law enforcement.
The purpose of it is to divert people to services that can assist them versus taking them into the criminal justice system.
It will be up to the officer if they think a low-level offender should go through the justice system or be referred to LEAD. If referred to LEAD, Charlin and her team of 4 other social workers will connect the individual with community resources and guide them through the process.
I hope that through this program that we stop asking what's wrong with you and begin to ask what happened to you.
Charlin says when you start approaching opioid addiction from a lens of concern, not judgment, things change.
Being a mother of a young one who was actually addicted to opioids, that was the turning point in her relationship with our family.
We have to recognize that some people don't need to see the inside of a jail. Some do. When they harm people, they need to see that needs to happen in some cases. But there's so many people who just need help and need that second chance.
Bell says law enforcement departments are already asking to be included in this program. But before they can take on everyone, LEAD will launch a pilot program with 2 police departments at the end of June. Reporting Catherine Hessel, Fox 2 News.